In this video, we're gonna check if Quick Share on Nothing Phone 4a works with the AirDrop on an iPhone. In order to check that, first we're gonna go to the Quick Share. So let's go ahead and open it. Let's just press OK. We're gonna try to send some of the example files. So I'm just gonna tap on select in here. Let's just choose anything. There we go. And then we should be able to find our iPhone on this list of nearby devices or your devices. But to make it work, first we need to make sure that AirDrop is set to everyone for 10 minutes. There we go. Now after that, we should be able to find our iPhone, if it works, of course. But nothing happens, nothing shows up. This phone is, of course, not iPhone. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just exit the menu just in case and reopen it, just to see if we can refresh this. Let's select the file again. And it seems that unfortunately it doesn't work on Nothing Phone 4a, at least not yet. What we can do instead is we can use a QR code. So if we tap over here, we can use this QR code in order to scan it on our iPhone. So let's do this. There we go. And once we scan the QR code, let's see if I can scan it. There we go. Then we should be able to open the browser and we can download the file from, well, we should be able to, but it seems that actually doesn't work. So yeah, unfortunately, it doesn't work at all. So far, we cannot really use Quick Share to transfer files. We can, of course, try that later. If you're watching this video much later in the future, there is a possibility that it works now, although, of course, there is no confirmation when and if we can expect it to be working at any point on this phone or you know, in the future or ever. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.